video, I will be playing with the Makeup Revolution palette Book 01. I purchased this palette because I purchased the Jeffree Star cremated palette, and you guys asked me if I could find something that kind of compares to it, something more affordable. So this palette is $20. The Jeffree Star cremated palette is $60. So I will be creating 3 looks with this palette, you guys, and doing some swatches and letting you guys know my final thoughts. So if this is something you guys are interested in, continue watching. I already primed my lids using the JCat Beauty Stay Assurance in Soft Tan. So I asked you guys if I should recreate the looks that I did in my previous video. Some of you guys said yes, some of you guys said no, but someone did make a good point saying that they just don't want to watch the same thing again. So just to kind of like switch it up. So I was like, you know what? That makes sense. That makes sense. So I will be going in with this color right here. And we're going to place it in my crease with the e.l.f. Fluffy blending brush. Oh! Wow! That is super pink. Okay, so I guess we're... Okay. This isn't the look that I was thinking, but okay. We are going to just roll with it. We're going to blend this out. That is super pigmented, you guys, so we're at the bat. Super pigmented. I'm just going to just buff. Don't pick up any more product, just buff. Keep blending, go in circular motions until you get the desired blowout. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. I really like how this gray green blended in. It just looks so pretty. That really surprised me. That pigmentation like slapped me in my face super hard. So let's go in with this gray right here, right? Is it gray white? I don't even know. And we're just going to just apply that right here and just buff out. I'm gonna go back in that first color that we played with, and I'm just going to just make sure that everything is just blending in very well. Freaking excited about this palette. Like, it looks, oh, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna mix these two together, my JCat Beauty and my ColourPop. So I'm going to mix it así. And I'm using the Makeup Shack T37. And we are going to cut the crease. Yeah, cut the crease. Hello. All right, so I cut my crease. We're gonna go in with this white right here. I'm hoping it's super pigmented like that color that we laid down in our crease. Let's see. So we're just going to apply it. All right, it's okay. And just pat. Pat. Okay, that white, yeah, it's not going on the best, but it's there, you know? It's there. See, it's like kind of gripping on, kind of. But that's okay. Let's go in with the shimmery white right here. Maybe if we go in with some of that shimmery white, it'd be better. All right, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. tape, and then we're going to use the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. I like using this eyeliner because it dries matte. All right, now just remove. Woo. Go back into the palette. I will be picking up this color right here, the first color that we applied the first time, using an LA Girl 206 brush. And we're just going to lightly add this right here and blend up. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara using the Flower Beauty Warrior. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack Lashes X-Rated. I was really feeling these ones. They are gorgeous. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Perfect Precision, and this one is in the shade Nude. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. I'm using a Makeup Shack T63, and we're just going to apply that underneath. All right, I'm just gonna add just a little bit. This one right here, just like that. Just kind of just like swoop it up. Oh yeah. Woo. All right, now I'm going to add some mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go with that my Morphe Bite Me. I'm gonna go in with PYT Beauty. This one is in Influence. So here is the first look. So now let's move on to the second look. Now I'm gonna go in, prime my eyelids again. I'm going to use my Makeup Shack T29. And let's pick up this shade right here with the Makeup Shack T68. And we're just going to just add this in our crease. I know it's like too much to ask to have names on this palette, but where they all kind of look similar, like a hint of differentness going on, it would be really easy. It would be much easier to know, it would be easier to not lose track of like what shade you're using, you know what I mean? Because it's just like a slight difference. So I'm just going to just apply this in and all over my crease. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and add that in my crease using a Beauty Junkies Pro Tapered Blending Brush. Oh, that's like a really pretty grayish brown. So I'm going to just keep building that up right there. I'm gonna go in with the JCat Beauty. Okay, and I'm just going to cut it right there. All right, so now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. So now we're gonna go in, I'm gonna use this shimmery black right here, and we're going to apply that in the crease using the Makeup Shack T81. I'm just going to pat and blend. Now we're gonna go in with Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, and we're going to draw the wing, and then we're gonna go in with this one as well. Now I'm just gonna add some white eyeliner to my bottom lash line, go in with this shade right here and just smoke that underneath my lash line. Going in with the Makeup Shack Frisky Lashes, pop those on, and wham. So I'm gonna try something different for the lips. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips using the LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner in Continuous Charcoal. Now going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Shadow. Okay, so I wanted to do bold lips so you guys can see how it looks with the bold gray lip. And then we're gonna change it to something more softer. And then here it is with this lip. All right, so now moving on to look number 3.
Love you.
Love you too. Woo! So this is the final look. All right, so I'm feeling this section right here. I want to create something with that section, kind of just like smoke my whole eye out. So we are going to pick up this shade right here, and we are just going to just apply that in our crease and blend. But first, let's pack it on. We're just going to just pack it on and then lightly go back and forth and blend using the Makeup Shack T68. So I'm just going to just lightly just do circular motions, blending this like that. So now using my Fenty bronzer in Shady Biz, and I'm just going to add this underneath my brow bone. We're going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. Oh. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Makeup Shack T68, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here and blend. Ooh. I really like how that looks. That looks so freaking pretty. Going in with some mascara, we're going to coat our lashes. I really like how that looks. I'm gonna go back in with these lashes. I know I've been using them like so much, but you guys, they are freaking gorge. The Makeup Shack X-rated. Ooh, these are so pretty, look. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Baby Skin from Maybelline. Then I'm gonna go with the June & Co. Moonshine. This stuff is amazing. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Screen Queen 380 Deep Tan. Going in with the Makeup Shack T29, and I'm just going to add this. I'm just going to blend this. So now I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Cosmetics. This is a professional contouring and highlighting cream palette, and we're gonna be using this to contour. So I will be going in with these two shades right here. Alrighty, I'm gonna go in with the banana shade. And I'm going to mix it with this one right here. All right, now we're going to blend. Alrighty, you're gonna go in with my favorite Too Faced Peach Powder. This is like amazing, you guys. Makes the skin look so flawless. Literally just makes everything just look blurred. And I just apply this all over my face. Okay, so now to contour, going with my Physician Formula and Butter collection. I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade. Now going in with the Ultra Cosmetics Professional Blush Palette. I will be going in with this shade right here, Candy Apple. Going in with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. Now I'm gonna go with the Ardell Lip Lacquer Perky Nude. That is pretty. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Bamboo. And we are going to pick up this shade right here with an LA Girl 206 brush. And we're going to smoke it underneath. Okay, so here is the final look. So here's the final look once again. I really like the blown out smoky eye, like, oof. Okay, love, so this is the finished look. I'm having a really bad hair day, so the hair is just gonna be up. Let's see. Ooh. All right, so my thoughts on the Makeup Revolution color book palette is you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed playing with this palette. There's so much to do. Pigmentation on the darker shades are amazing. The white, you had to kind of like pack, but that's okay because it's like, maybe that's just how white eyeshadows are, right? Or you guys let me know what company has a really good white eyeshadow where it's just like, damn. So let me know. So I played a lot with the mattes and I played with some of the shimmers as well. Very pretty. The second look that I did, I was kind of like, oh, that was very, very pretty. The shimmer on the lid, it blended so well together with this shimmer color. With this palette, I feel like there's so much that you can do. I really like the kind of like bluish gray tones. I feel like they just are so freaking beautiful. I think they're my new faves. And they even have some brown kind of grayish tones in here. So pretty much this section right here is what I liked playing with the most. Super, super pretty. So this is all the mattes and this is all the shimmers. I'm barely seeing that right now where this is a shimmer for this one is the shimmer for that one. Like, I'm pretty sure that's how it is. I barely recognize that right now. But the palette is very, very nice, you guys. I could do the exact same look that I did with this palette. Now, this isn't an exact dupe, okay? This isn't an exact dupe for it. Can you create the same look with it? Yes. Some of the pigmentation is a lot better on the Jeffree Star palette, but there is some pigments that are like, damn, when I play with this one. So it's kind of like, but if you want this palette, get it. You want to spend the $60 and splurge, get it. If you want to save some monies, get it. You want more colors than what the other palette provides, get it. You want a shimmer and matte palette, get it. Now I want to check out the other color series that they have and play around with that. I think that'd be so much fun, especially because you guys know I love orange and orange. So I'm excited. And browns. I wonder if they have an all brown palette. I hope they do have an all browns because I would be so excited about that one. But anyways, now I'm rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Time to swatch. We're gonna swatch them this way.